Hello guys, we are back with another tutorial, and today we're going to make this super cute necklace. I deliberately wanted to show it on a darker background because it's easier to see the beads, and I didn't put directly the light on so you can see how it looks. So today we're going to make different colors, but I've finished this one in these colors and I think it looks very cute, and I wanted to show you in this lighting, which is not the best, but it's like I can put the light on and you'll see it changes the color. So yeah, for the materials I've used 3 colors of Czech seed beads, Preciosa Ornella 11 O's. In this one I went with creme, like not creme beige, golden and red. What we're going to make today, I'm going to be using golden, pearly white and pink, and I think it's going to be looking super cute. Obviously in the thumbnail I'm going to have the necklace that we're going to make today. You're also going to need a needle if you're gonna also use bigger beads, like not 15 O's. You can use a size 11 needle. For thread I'm going with this S-Lon D. You can use any thread you want as long as it's sturdy, it's resistant and it doesn't break. You're also going to need a clasp. I went with this type, so two round thingies and a lobster. You can use any clasp you want. Look how pretty this looks. Oh my god, it's so, sorry, I hit the phone. I'm too excited about this necklace. Like it looks amazing. This is a free pattern, you can find it online, but I seen, so the pattern is in different colors, and I think that even if it's the same pattern, if you change the color, it totally feels like a different necklace. So okay, prepare your needle, put thread on it, prepare your 3 color beads, and yeah, let's start making this super cute easy necklace. Okay, so as you can see I have my colors here, pearly white, golden and pink. I have threaded my needle and we can start. So first off, pick up 1 golden, 5 white, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 1 golden and 2 white. So this is how we start. Now we're going to pull this down to the tail and we're going to make a knot, as this is where we're going to put the clasp. This is a very quick repeatable pattern. I'm going to show you a few flowers how to make them, but it's very easy to understand and it goes very fast. It's not that complicated. So I made obviously multiple knots, and what I want to do, I'm going to go through this side where my 2 whites are, and I'm just going to go through all of them, through all of the beads, just to strengthen and force it, nothing else. Let me just zoom in a tiny little bit. Okay, so I'm just going through all of the beads like so, and I'm going to exit this golden one here like so. Now pick up, so I'm gonna hold it like here so it's easy to see. Pick up like this, 2 white, 1 golden, 5 pink and 1 golden. Now push this down. I'm going to hold it in my hand so you see what I mean. Push this down like this. Go from the top through these 3 pink that are on top of the golden, like so, and pull the thread so it looks like this. Now pick up 2 pink and go through this golden here. And you can arrange it nicely so it shapes the first flower. Let me just try to hold it better in my hand. like so. Now pick up 2 white, 1 golden and 2 white, and we're going to skip 2 white, 1 golden and 2 white here, you see, and we're going to go through this golden up here. Like so. Now pick up 3 white, 1, 2, 3, 1 golden and 2 white, and I'm going to go through this golden one here. Next up, like this, if you want to make different color, same color flowers, you can, but I'm gonna make 1 pink and 1 white. So now I'm going to go and pick up 2 white, so 1, 2, 1 golden, 5 white, 3, 4, 5, and 1 golden, like so. I'm gonna push them down like so. I'm gonna turn the work upside down, and I'm gonna go through these last 3 white beads from before the golden one, and I'm gonna hold on to it so that it doesn't move. See, my golden is there. Now pick up 2 white and go through this golden here. And when we pull the thread, we slowly arrange the flower into place. And again pick up 2 white, 1 golden, 2 white, and go through this golden up here. I'm gonna show again. As I said, it's repeatable. You just change the color of the flowers. Everything else is the same. So on the top, always pick 3 white, 1, 2, 3, 1 golden, and 2 white. So this is always going to be on the top, and you're gonna go through this golden one here. Next up, it's a pink flower, so I will pick up 2 white, 1 golden, this is common every time. Now 5 pink, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 golden. This is when my flowers are pink. I'm gonna push this down to the necklace, like so. I'll turn it, hold on to it, and go through these 3 beads here, like so. Now pick up 2 pink and go through this golden one here. And we arrange the flower nicely. And now pick up 2 white, 1 golden, 2 white, and go up through this golden. Like so. I'm going to show you once more. So pick up 3 white, 1 golden, and 2 white. And we're gonna go through this golden one here. When you're going to have your length, this is where you're gonna stop, because here is going to, you're going to put the clasp here. But now we're continuing. Now when we have white bead, we pick up 2 white, 1 golden, 5 white, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 golden. We're going to push them all down, like so, and we're going to go through these last 3 beads here, hold on to them, turn them into a circle. Now pick up 2 white and go through the golden one here, like so, arranging nicely the flower. Now pick up 2 white, 1 golden, 2 white, and go up to this golden one here. And that's it. That's all there is, and look how beautiful it will turn out. So yeah, continue as long as you need. You can make your whatever length you want, whatever colors you want. You can combine it, you can make it. It goes very fast, it's very easy to make. So yeah, so don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and have fun beading. Bye bye.